cents for your month.
Okay.
Okay. And Carlos, when do you want to come out? When do we want her to come out?
Sooner than later.
Sooner rather than later. Yeah. Like the way I thought this was. I thought it'd be beneficial for everyone if you were out here next week.
Does that work with her schedule?
Oh yeah, like that works with your schedule though. Like I don't know. Like just how I look at it, like we have the 4 days here or so to get to learn it, and then once we get home,
Hello, little baby Owen.
Really, like since we're still learning, it'd be so nice to have an extra set of hands with us, and that's just what I was thinking. Well, actually, they were saying something. Maybe we might be going home after 3 on Sunday. We might be going home Sunday. They said. I'm supposed to go back to work Wednesday, Friday. I'm calling in sick for sure Wednesday. Friday is I don't know. I might go in for the day